What's your good name, please?
Pardon?
What is your good name?
My name is Kelvin. Hello, Pakistan. How are you?
You're from another country or from Malaysia?
I'm from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur. Good.
Kevin.
Kevin. Wow,
Yeah,
wow.
Kevin.
Good name.
Yes. Welcome.
Welcome to Malaysia.
Malaysia is cheap, very cheap.
Cheap.
Cheap, everything cheap.
Yeah.
Shopping, eating, very cheap.
People are happy here. Everything is cheap from government. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Surviving is good here.
Malaysia exchange rate is very low.
Yeah.
It's the champion of Asians.
Yeah.
Yes. So what is your next planning?
We have been to Bali for 4 nights. We have been there.
Bali, India.
Bali, Indonesia.
Bali, okay.
Indonesia.
I'm talking Malaysia. How many days already?
We are here. We came here yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. We are going first time to Kuala Lumpur city, KLCC. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
To see Patron's Twin Towers and what is the other famous place?
You can go Batu Cave.
Batu Cave.
And then you can go Genting Island.
Genting Island, yeah.
Genting Island is on top the mountain. The temperature is about 20 degrees C.
Yeah.
Cooling
area.
Good shopping, many restaurants, casinos, theme park.
Yeah.
You can go there.
How much it's far from here, from our hotel?
It's about 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Not very far. Very far.
We plan to go there tomorrow or after day after tomorrow.
Okay.
We are here till 7 December.
7 December. If you can go Penang. Penang is a bit far.
Yeah.
Kuala Lumpur, I think that's all. You cannot go many places.
Just Twin Tower. And
actually, Twin Tower, you go there is around maybe 7 o'clock. You can go Chinatown.
Yeah.
Chinatown is called Petaling Street. Street. Yes.
Yeah, Petaling Street.
You can go there.
Yeah.
Same time, you can visit Central Market.
Yeah.
You go there, these two places. Finish.
What is the special there? In China Market?
Petaling Street is a night market.
Very cheap.
Okay, mostly the item is made in China.
Yeah.
You go there maybe about 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Yeah.
They close around 11 p.m.
Okay.
You go there.
Okay, let me know what is the most famous restaurant here for dinner?
What type of food you want?
Indian and Pakistani food, Indian food.
There is many.
Like chicken, fish.
I just give you a simple one.
Yeah.
In the shopping mall, you can find a shop called Banana Bro. Banana Bro.
Yeah.
Banana Bro. This is selling all the Indians foods.
Yeah.
The best shopping mall is Mid Valley. MID. Mid Valley. VALLEY.
Good.
Mid Valley is selling the high and medium range of product. Understand?
Yeah.
The 5-star shopping mall in Kuala Lumpur is called Pavilion.
Good.
All this you can find in Google.
Oh, yeah. Google Map.
Yes, Google. Easy.
Google is easy for everyone.
Yeah. So, okay, welcome Pakistan.
Thank you.
Malaysia.
Thanks for your love.
Visit Malaysia.
Malaysia, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.